Hi guys again. So I just left the mountain behind. Now I'm walking to a camping site. So since like 15 minutes I have one hour left to reach the place. Just to share with you now it's been like 10 kilometers walking. I have 5 kilometers left to reach the place where I will sleep. So as you can see, it's very wild here. Forest everywhere, green everywhere. The place is very nice. But at the moment it's more or less 8 p.m. For that I have 1 hour before dark, so I need to hurry up a little bit because in dark it will be very difficult to walk in this place, especially here. As you can see, there's a lot of roads, and each time there is a cross and you have at least 2 roads, and sometimes even more. So my phone battery is 20%. For that I prefer to be at night in the camping site. I don't think that I missed the road, but it seems that I need to have more visibility on a village. I cannot see at the moment, so maybe by the end of this yes, okay, so I can see here that there is another direction, in the right direction, and this is the correct direction. At least this is what I've seen in Google Map. So here guys, I'll need to take, so as you can see what I told you before, each cross we have at least 2 to 4 roads. So I have this road where I come from, the left one. In front of me there's one, and as you can see here there is a right one. Which one I need to take? It's the same question always, but I think it's this one, so I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, so we're talking about dark. So as you can see now, it's an open space, open sky. It's more lighter than in the forest here, which is a little bit strange for me. I can see like a fence here, as you can see. I don't know who put it and for what reason. Maybe somebody who has this land, a land in the middle of nowhere. But normally this is a national park. I don't know how can somebody own a land here. But anyway, not my business. So let's continue.